Here is the Vietnam job market update by VSHR Pro Academy about week 2 of July. Through the job market report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. The open positions of the technology industry is the highest one. The second place in the market is banking, FB, finance, and marketing ads. Moreover, each industry's positions are lower than 600. First, in the technology industry, while IT and internet have had an upward trend, software has had a downward trend this week. IT has increased from 429 to 518 and the internet has gone up from 199 to 321. Software has reduced from 517 to 432 this week. This week, the business focuses on seeking staff of middle seniors in software and internet. IT needs more staff at associate level. The second group, banking and finance, has had a stable status though 1 week. Insurance has had a reduction from 74 to 49 positions. This week, banking needs more staff at associate level, finance and insurance focus on finding middle senior level. Commercial real estate, construction and real estate all have had an upward trend this week. Commercial real estate has risen sharply from 31 to 40 positions. Real estate has gone up 9 open positions and construction has made out 12 positions. This week, they focus on associate level in 3 industries. While the FB has had a stable open positions number in the second week, food production industry has an upward trend from 60 to 81 positions. Both industries focus on recruiting at the middle senior level. In the last group, there is a slight decrease of retail and consumer electronics. Consumer goods and fashion has had an upward trend. The highest data is retail, which has made out 112 positions. There is a slow increase of consumer goods, which is from 64 to 71 positions. Moreover, fashion has had a sharp increase from 31 to 57 positions. And they need staff at associate and middle senior level. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.